In this video, I'm going to teach you how to send XLM from Ledger to Coinbase. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In Ledger, if you have an XLM account and you would like to transfer them elsewhere, you can follow the instructions on this video to get this transfer started. So I'm going to teach you how to transfer them into Coinbase, but of course you can transfer XLM to any other exchange wallet as long as they have an XLM account option. So to start, inside of Ledger, go over to your XLM page and choose the option to send. So you will be sending from Ledger to another account. You can gather the receiving address by going over to Coinbase, either on the website or the mobile app, and choosing the option to receive. Once you have the XLM selected here from all of the assets, you will be given a QR code, the wallet address that you will be using for this transfer, and also a memo. This is very important. Most people just ignore this, but for this particular transfer type, it is going to be required. So copy this memo. It is usually going to be a bunch of numbers. So after you copy your wallet address, also take note of this memo. Now, if you go back to the send option within Ledger, the first thing that they will ask you is the Stellar address. So this is just like any other asset. You just copy the address displayed here. And this time there will be a memo. As I've said before, this is required. So choose this option, and from the drop-down menu, you will have plenty of options. In here, I recommend using memo text. You can try using other ones, however, memo text seems to be the most reliable. Now you copy the memo here. So let's say, for example, the memo was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, just as a random example. After you select text, you will be able to input it here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Once the memo and the wallet address have been input, choose the option to continue, input the amount in either XLM or your local currency, and then proceed. Afterwards, the transaction will be sent, as long as the memo was included alongside the wallet address. I hope I was able to help you on how to send XLM from Ledger to Coinbase. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.